In this exercise, we are going to analyze the relationships between seismic attributes and well logs using cross-plots. Let's go ahead and launch the attribute set window either by clicking on the corresponding icon or go to menu Analysis Attributes 3D. We are going to define 3 attributes, keeping all the default parameters. Let's start with the instantaneous amplitude. I will give it a name and click Add as New to save the attribute definition. The next one is energy. I keep the default parameters and give it a name. Add as New. And the last one will be dominant frequency. Click Add as New. In this exercise, I'm not going to store this attribute set, so I will uncheck the Save and Close checkbox. Otherwise, if the Save and Close box is ticked, the attribute set will be automatically stored when closing the window. Now let's open the crossplot window. You can do this either by clicking on the icon or go to menu Analysis, Crossplot Data. We'll select well logs versus attributes for this exercise. Make sure that the attributes that we just defined are selected in the list of attributes. We are going to check all the available wells and all the logs that we have in the list. We will be extracting the data between 2 markers. First one is called truncation and the other one is called FS4. Let's keep all the other parameters by default and click OK to proceed. In the pop-up spreadsheet, we are going to select the gamma ray log to be plotted along x-axis. For this, click on the gamma ray column and on the X icon. And we are going to select the dominant frequency attribute to be plotted along y-axis. Now let's click on the crossplot icon to show the crossplot. By default, this window plots scattered points of all wells versus the selected attribute. You can select one of the wells from the drop-down list to cross-plot an individual well. Now you can close this window. Go back and select exclusively logs for the X and Y axis, or optionally select consecutively 2 logs to be displayed on Y axis. This way the second log will be displayed as Y2. This concludes the workflow showing how to cross-plot attributes and well logs.